Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have started a new chapter, that is the realms of Earth, that means the spheres of Earth. So, in that, we have the sphere of water, the sphere of air, the sphere of land. They all have different names. Lithosphere, we have hydrosphere, we have atmosphere, we have. And when they three connect with each other, that is known as biosphere. So, students, and then we have studied about continents. We have different continents and the names are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and then we have Australia. Okay, students. Then Antarctica, that is white in color because that is covered with snow every time. Fine, students. So how many continents we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continents we have. Now, students, Asia, it is the largest continent. Now, world records of Asia are largest lake, Caspian Sea is in Asia. Longest wall, the Great Wall of China. Longest railway line, Trans-Siberian Railway. Deepest lake, Baikal Lake. So, these are the world records that are held by Asia, our own continent. Now, students, we will study about Europe. It is located to the west of Asia. You can see in the picture, to the west of Asia. And कोई water division ऐसी बड़ी नहीं है. It is divided from Asia by Ural Mountains and Ural River. Europe is much smaller in area than Asia. You can see in the picture also. You can see in this map, Europe is much smaller than Asia. It covers 7% of the total land mass. The Arctic Ocean lies to the north, the Mediterranean Sea to the south. You can see, देखो Arctic Ocean यहाँ north में, and here it has Mediterranean Sea, right? And then students, the Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of Europe. This one, यहाँ west में Atlantic Ocean we have. Fine. Almost all the countries of Europe are very advanced. Almost all the countries of Europe are very advanced. They are developed countries. They are economically well developed with a high standard of living. So there is standard of living is also high. Okay, and they are quite well developed. Next, student, we have Africa. It is the second largest continent and the hottest continent. After Asia, it is the second largest. Fine. And it is the hottest continent also. It is separated from Europe by the Mediterranean Sea in the north. देखो, here we have Mediterranean Sea. Europe is separated from Africa through this Mediterranean Sea. A very narrow piece of land known as Suez Isthmus joins it with Asia in the northeast. You can see here. ये देखो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बहुत ही नैरो पीस ऑफ लैंड, ये एशिया को इससे ज्वाइन कर रहा है. Fine. That is known as Suez Isthmus. It has the famous Suez Canal also. So here we have a famous Suez Canal also. Then students, the Atlantic Ocean is on its west and the Indian Ocean on its east. देखो Atlantic Ocean and here we have Indian Ocean. ठीक है. Then the equator passes through the middle of Africa. However, the largest part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. ठीक है. तो इक्वेटर क्या है? इक्वेटर यहाँ से जा रहा है बीच में से, बट लार्जेस्ट पार्ट कहाँ है इसका? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. ओके. द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न ऑल्सो पास थ्रू अफ्रीका. A vast land of North Africa is a desert and a large area of Africa is covered with dense forest. In Africa variety इतनी है, variation इतनी है. Largest part क्या है इसका? Desert भी है और एक part क्या है इसका? Covered with thick forest also. Okay, then students, North America. This is the North America. It is the third largest continent and lies in the northern hemisphere. तो totally it is in northern hemisphere. ठीक है, इक्वेटर से ऊपर ही है. Then the Atlantic Ocean lies to the east and the Pacific to the west. अब देख लो, Atlantic Ocean east में है और Pacific Ocean west में है नॉर्थ अमेरिका के. Getting the point? Then students, the Arctic Ocean मेक्स इट बाउंड्रीज इन द नॉर्थ. यहाँ देखो ऊपर आर्कटिक ओशन, यहाँ नॉर्थ में इसकी बाउंड्री बन गया है आर्कटिक ओशन. ओके, जो भी आप यहाँ पढ़ रहे हो आप यहाँ पे देखोगे ना साथ साथ, यू विल गेट द आइडिया कि कैसा है यहाँ पे. ओके. द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ North America is linked to South America by a narrow stretch of land called the Isthmus of Panama. Here also, ये देखो बिल्कुल छोटे से लैंड से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं ना नॉर्थ अमेरिका साउथ अमेरिका से ये. It is known as Isthmus of Panama. It has a Panama Canal which joins the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. So here we have Panama Canal also that joins Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. ठीक है. Canada and USA are the major economically developed countries of this continent. So in North America we have USA and Canada. They both are well developed economies. बहुत ज़्यादा developed हैं. Then students we have South America. This is the South America. The larger part of it lies in the southern hemisphere. तो mainly कहाँ है ये southern hemisphere में ही है. It is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the east. देखो in the east it has Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Then and the Pacific Ocean in the west. See Pacific Ocean in the west. Then students Brazil, Argentina and Chile are the major countries in this continent. The longest mountain range, Andes and Amazon basin, the largest river basin in the world lies here. तो ये क्या है? Naturally काफ़ी rich है. Then Australia, you can see this red one, Australia. This continent lies completely in the southern hemisphere. So completely, not even a single part is in the northern hemisphere, completely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the east. East में क्या है इसके? Atlantic Ocean है. Then where it is? Then it is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the west and the Pacific Ocean in the east. The Southern Ocean in the South Australia is also known as the island continent. देख लो स्टूडेंट्स, इंडियन ओशन यहाँ है इसके वेस्ट में और यहाँ से ये सारा का सारा पैसिफिक ओशन है, अटलांटिक ओशन नहीं है यहाँ. एंड दिस एरिया स्पार्सली पॉपुलेटेड एरिया इज नोन एज आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट. ठीक है. अब यहाँ देखो, डू यू नो, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ओशिनिया. Collectively, it includes Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, the Melanesia and Polynesia groups. Oceania also includes Micronesia, a widely scattered group of islands that run along the northern and southern edges of the equator. देखो, ये आपको इतना समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but up to here, up to these continents, you are supposed to understand. Then last continent we will study, that is Antarctica. So students, the continent lies in the southernmost part of the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere में भी सबसे south में जाके है ये. It is stretched around the south pole up to the Antarctic circle. पूरा का पूरा Antarctic circle में stretch हुआ हुआ है ये south में. In the north, it is surrounded by Southern Ocean. The continent is covered with very thick sheets of ice and snow. बहुत ज़्यादा thick sheets, glaciers वहाँ पे हैं. It is estimated that 3/4 of the total mass of ice of the earth is found in Antarctica. सबसे ज़्यादा आइस वहीं पे मिलती है अंटार्कटिका में पूरे वर्ल्ड की. ड्यू टू वेरी कोल्ड कंडीशंस, इन ह्यूमन्स बीइंग वहाँ नहीं रहते. सम साइंटिस्ट हैव एस्टैब्लिश्ड देयर रिसर्च सेंटर्स देयर फॉर research purposes. Okay students, up to here only we will study today, and in the next video we will take up major landforms. ये continents आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Thank you students, have a nice day.